How to create curved edges on Wix. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you how to create curved edges on Wix for images and so on. So if you want it to be as a background and so on, I'll just talk about it in general. So we can just go ahead and click on edit site and right away jump into it. So the first thing is going to be adding an image. So we can just go ahead and click on add elements, and we can just go ahead and to images and click on upload images. So I'm just going to be using this one. Click on add to page, and as you can see it is now fully square, so we want to adjust that to become more rounded. Now in this case, if you just want to round the corners, you can do it in Wix itself easily. And to do so, you just want to click on the image itself and then just click on crop. And then from here, you just want to click on shape crop, and you will have all of these shapes that you can use and crop it that way. So you can actually go ahead and make it like this. This way is going to be more, with the edges, it's going to be a little bit more curved. But again, it's not going to be the best thing if you just want it to be more wobbly or, like blobby. In that case, you're not going to find, or actually there are going to be a few options here, as you can see. So we can just go ahead and, flip them around and start to make it the proper size that we actually want it to. And if we just click on apply here, we can also go ahead and do more stuff to it. You can make it larger. So you could just go ahead basically and grab a simple color. So for example, if you want it to be a white curvy edge or whatever it may be, you can just go ahead and get the color white as an image and just crop it this way. But if you don't like what you have here, you can always just go to Canva, and then from Canva we can just create that in there and just place it back in Wix. So just go ahead and first click on the crop. If you don't see what you actually like, if you don't find the shape that you want to use, if these blobs at the bottom here don't match what you actually want it to use, you can basically feel free to go to canva.com, and then you would want to create the size that is going to suit Wix best, which could be, if we just click on create design and click on custom size, we could do 3000 by 200. And then if we just click on create design, we can just go ahead and actually create it in here and then place it back in Wix. So we can just go ahead and search, for example, for a blob in the element section actually. So let's just go ahead and search for blob, and we should have plenty to choose from. So you can actually see with frames and stuff as well. So you can just go ahead and select a frame that you actually like that looks like a blob. And then we can just go to uploads and add the media that we want to that blob, for example, like this. And once you're happy with it, that's the thing. You will need to actually click on share on the top right, download it as a PDF, PNG, sorry, I'm not PDF. And make sure that you have transparent background turned on. If not, if you don't have the premium, you can just go ahead and download it as PNG and then remove the background using third-party applications. And then you can just go back here and add elements, add a strip, which is going to be an image strip like this one, and then just replace it with the image that we just created. So those are a few options to create curved edges on Wix. So hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.